Hi, Mary Oquendo here with Pooh Bear. I'm an author, columnist, educator, and coach in the professional pet industry. Welcome to my Ask Me Anything. So today's question is, should I file the trademark myself or should I hire an attorney? And my answer today is different than if you would have asked me a couple of years ago. All right. So I've been filing trademarks for the various things that I do for many years now. My very first trademark, I hired an attorney. It cost me over $1,000, and I still had to fill out most of the paperwork. They looked it over and they submitted it for me. The how-to videos on the uspto.gov website are very good. And I did the next one with no problem by myself. And I believe at that time, the office was smaller and the lawyers, they were truly interested in helping you fix any problems on the application. Lately, not so much. I had to hire an attorney for my first renewal, and that should have been really easy. So my answer these days is to consider it a business expense. Save your sanity, hire someone who knows what they're doing and who can review your application so it goes through the first time. So you got a question for me? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.